Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of the present moment. Your manifestation is instant, it's not on the way, it's here right now. But before I get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things self-development, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Listen, every single thing is a brand new moment. Every single second you shift into a new reality. Now is the present moment, now is the present moment, now is the present moment, now is the present moment. We are shifting into realities every single second, every single moment. Literally what the present was a few seconds ago, or literally a second ago, a millisecond ago, a moment ago, is in the past now. It's done. It's not here anymore. What you were identifying a few moments ago, a few seconds ago, whatever, is now in the past. Literally, the past and the future do not exist. They do not exist outside of your imagination. So the past and the present are all in your imagination. Literally all that you have is now and now and now and now and now. You can't see the past or the future in your 3D reality. It's all in your imagination. They're literally nothing but stories. They hold no power unless you choose to identify it with. Now I can hear some of you thinking, but does that mean that me talking about my manifestation isn't real as well because it's not in my 3D reality? No, because you are identifying with that reality, meaning that it is yours. You are saying that it is in your present moment right now. It's all about intention. If you keep feeding your old story, you are keeping it alive. You are the only one that is keeping it alive in your conscious mind right now. Without you thinking about it, it's non-existent. It does not affect you. That's why your circumstances keep coming to you like a boomerang, because not only are you letting that happen, you are feeding your mind with the things that happened in your past, even though, again, the past does not exist. It's all in your head. To cut this pattern of the constant loops that keep happening in your life, you need to destroy the past by not giving it any recognition. It doesn't exist. You can't touch it. It's not here. Anything in the past is not you. You are brand new. You are born in every single moment. Right now, 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 and it just keeps on going. This is also why every single manifestation is instant, because each manifestation is brand new, just like you are. Everything is inherently brand new. Even if you don't see clear movement in your 3D reality, it does not mean that it is not yours already. It doesn't mean that movement isn't happening right now and right now and right now and right now. Literally with every millisecond, you are becoming that person that you have manifested. It is working behind the scenes for you. Through persistence, you are reclaiming your reality right now and right now and right now. The fastest way to get to the end is to think from the end, time after time after time, and eventually it's going to be yours in the 3D reality. Think from the end, so think as if you have it right now and claim it. If you think instant manifestations aren't possible for you right now, it's only because you're identifying with that belief. If you start seeing yourself as an instant manifester, your 3D is going to pick that up and your manifestations are gonna come at the drop of a hat. But you have to keep persisting, persisting, persisting in this moment, and this moment. Think from the end and you'll get there in the fastest time possible. It's a paradox, guys, but it works. This is a short and sweet one. I hope that you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. We are all getting our manifestations because we have them now. We don't know what is going on behind the scenes for us. So do not depend on the 3D reality for seeing your manifestations, because they are ruminating. We just can't see it, and it's going to come out into the 3D. That's not our job. We know that we have it right now because it's ruminating, it's growing for us right now in this present moment, in this present moment, in this present moment, and eventually there will come a present moment where that thing is going to fully form, it has fully developed, and it can come out into the 3D reality for us to enjoy. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.